This is the magic ring. You're gonna take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers twice, take your hook, insert, pull that under, hold your tail, yarn over, and pull through that loop that you just made. Now, to make it a little bit stronger, I take my tail and hold it with the loop so that I'm going through both of those. So go through the loop, yarn over, pull that up, and continue with as many single or double crochets as your pattern calls for. I'm just gonna do 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and straighten those out a little bit. Then you just pull your tail to tighten that up into a loop. Single crochet, slip stitch to the top of the initial stitch, and you've got a circle. So your last slip stitch, pull tight, there you go.